everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a sunset inspired makeup eye look for you featuring the Anastasia Prism Palette. I hope you enjoyed this look and stay tuned. So to start off today's eye look, we're going to be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. And you're just going to dab this all over the lid and then blend it out with a beauty blender. And then after that, you're going to use a fluffy brush and you're going to go in with the shade Unity from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette. And you're just going to spread this evenly all over the lid because this is going to act as a base for your overall eyeshadow look. And this is a really good shade. It's very neutral, it's very creamy, it's super pigmented. So you're just going to blend that in circular motions all over the lid. And then once you're done with that, you're going to use another fluffy brush and you're going to go in with the same palette using the shade Eden. And this is like a coral, almost pink shade. I love this shade. It's super pigmented and it works really well. So you're just going to blend this into your crease. And you're just going to deepen your crease area. And this is going to be great for when we use our other shade. Blend evenly into your crease, circular motions. And don't worry if you make any mess because we're going to use makeup wipes later on, so it can get messy because these shades are super pigmented, but they're so amazing. I definitely recommend this palette. And then after that, once it's all blended out on the crease, you're going to go in with another fluffy brush and you're going to go in with the shade Saturn, which is a deeper orange shade. And for that shade, we're going to put it on our outer corner of our eyelid. And you're just going to pack it on because we just want to get that pigment in there. So you're going to do the same to the other eye. I'm just going to pack that on. And we're going to worry about blending it out later. Just slightly bring it back up to the crease slightly. And then after that, use the same brush that you used for the shade Eden and start blending it into your crease and outer corners as well. Just use circular motions and just blend those colors together. And you're going to want to make sure to leave the center of your lid that lighter shade because we're going to use a different color for that. And just clean up with a makeup wipe. So I'm going to use a flat brush this time. I'm going to wet it with some rosewater spray and then I'm going to go in with the shade Pyramid. And this is like a deep metallic gold. And I'm just going to put that into the center of my lid and just pack that color on. This shade is so pretty. It looks amazing. I'm just going to put that onto your lid. Just pack that color in. And then also do the same to the other eye, just packing the color in. Make sure not to get too close to your crease because you want to maintain that color there. So just pack that on. This shade is so shiny. Just make sure it's even. And then just clean up any fallout that you may have with a makeup wipe. And then after that, you're going to use a little brush and you go in with the shade Sphere, which is this neon bright yellow shade. It's so pretty. And you're just going to put this into your inner corners and you're going to ever so slightly blend upwards into that Eden shade on the crease. But just keep the color concentrated onto that inner corner. This shade is so gorgeous as well. And then use the same brush that you used for Saturn, and then you're just gonna start deepening that color. on both eyes. You just want it to be super pigmented and really bright. And just start blending if you see any creasing. I love using fluffy brushes for eye looks. It makes it so much easier to get the color all over the lid. I got these brushes actually off eBay. They were really affordable. Super good. And then if you see that you're missing any patches, you just add more of that pyramid shade. And then now, time for liner. So of course, I'm going to be winging it today. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lock-It eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. And you're just going to tight line your eyelid. You don't have to do a wing with this look. I just think it really shapes the eye and it just really catches that attention even more. And with bright colors, I feel like you can always just wing your eye. And you're just gonna do that to both eyes. And previously I already did my eyebrows. I'm gonna do an eyebrow tutorial eventually. Just get all up in that lid and line those eyes. Okay, you're all done, you're all set. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with the shade Eden, and we're just gonna go onto our waterline underneath that, and you're just gonna blend in that shade just for a pop of color underneath the eye. Okay, so now it's time for foundation. I'm gonna be going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. I love this foundation, it's super good. I use it in like every makeup look I do. It's full coverage for me. Just gonna blend that down. Don't forget your neck. Always do your neck. And then pat, 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 pat with your beauty blender. Just go down your neck and your eyes and your forehead, nose. And then now we're going to use concealer, the same concealer I've been using, the Tarte Shape Tape. Just put that underneath my eyes and any blemishes I may have, and also my chin. Just gonna pat that in. Just cover any flaws. This concealer is super good. It's super full coverage. And then of course we're gonna contour and bronze. And we're gonna use the Anastasia Contour Kit. Use that shade and just chisel those cheeks and contour. I'm gonna put some on my forehead and my cheeks. And you're just depositing the color and you're gonna blend it out later. So you might look crazy, but it's gonna look so good. So of course I'm gonna use my all-time fave, e.l.f. blending brush. This brush is super affordable, super easy to blend with. I love it. It's so good. I definitely recommend it. And the brush that I use for contouring, like depositing the color, is the A18 brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I also love this brush. It's awesome. I got it for Black Friday. Super good. Just gonna blend that out. Keep on blending. This is definitely an exercise, guys. I love the faces we make when we contour. So funny. Just blend it. Blending, blending, blending. Blending is your friend. And then we're going to use the MERCIER baking powder. Translucent powder. And we're just going to put that all over where we place the contour and underneath our eyes as well. And our chin. This is just going to make our contour look super sharp. And then once that's done setting in, I'm going to swipe it off with a fluffy brush and then use a highlighter. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals, and I love this super affordable highlight. I'm just gonna put that on my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, and then, oh my god, I almost forgot mascara, so I'm gonna go in with the Million Lashes by L'Oreal Paris. And then just put that mascara on. I can't believe I almost forgot that. I'm just going to put it on both eyes. I love this mascara, it's super good. I used to use Better Than Sex, but it'll always smear on me. And then we're going to use the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Stripped. This is a super pretty nude and it's super neutral. I love it. Just going to put that all over the lips. Love this shade. And that's all for the look.